How long do I stand here for? Oh, I'm going dizzy. Half expecting it to drop down on my head. I'll leave it. So hope it stays up. I don't got any tape. Looks like it's going to stay. That's actually pretty damn central. Oh, sending me dizzy. That was an easy enough job to do. Oh, hey, I like that. I do like that. When it's dry, I'll get that there and paint it. Yeah, so that's an 18-inch rose ceiling. I actually got it from Temue. It's polyurethane, so very lightweight. Not one of those heavy things that you have to screw into the joists. It cost £29, but it did take 2 months to arrive. Oh, worth it though, worth the wait. I ordered it when I was doing the bedroom upstairs. That's how long it's taken to get here. But it's stuck, it's up there. All I have to do is wait for it to completely dry, go around and chalk it and paint it. Job's a good one. I like it. Very nice. Hi, I've just received the ceiling rose from Temue and a wall hanging of a swan from Temue. I must admit I ordered them so long ago I'd actually forgotten what I'd got. And I'm opening this now and I'm just going to have a look at what this was. Oh wow, I am not going to lie, that is absolutely stunning. Actually, that is absolutely stunning. I'm well impressed. Yeah. Look at the patina on it. You put a plant in if you want, or some flowers. Yeah, it's got two. It's actually a good weight on it. It feels like it's made out of no, it'll come to me. It'll come to me. Yeah, it's got two wall hangings at the back there. Fiberglass. Yeah, it feels like it's fiberglass, but that's not light. That is. I'm gonna see, because when I bought this, I hadn't chosen the wallpaper in this room, and I hadn't really got me ideas of what I want. I bought this, ordered this when I was decorating the bedroom upstairs, so I hadn't actually even got an idea of what I wanted to do in this room. Let's have a look and see what this will probably look like in here. Right, I have a bit of a choice here. I can either go up here with it in here, in the arch, the middle arch, so one there, or I can order another one and put them in the middle of the arches. But if I do that, I need to get another one at that side, wouldn't I? What do you think? They are really nice. Well done, Temue. I am impressed with that. Really am impressed with that. So it even goes there, or I just have the one. I think if I was going to put lights in there, in those two alcoves. So I'm verging on really having it just the one in the middle there. Prefer it like that. Let me know what you think to that. That is stunning. And that ceiling rose up there, again, stunning. So I'm well impressed with those. Yeah, let me know what you think. Yeah, £35 for that swan, £29 for the ceiling rose. I've remembered I've got some other things arriving. I'll let you know what they are when they come.